Give it here. Give it here. Murphy wants to play? Winnie wants to play. Murphy wants to play. Winnie wants to play.
He's gonna play the way Winnie plays.
Oh, Murphy is getting on into it though. Come on, Murph. Get it, Murph. Come on. Get it. You're dizzy. How about you, Annie? You want to play in a circle? Come on. Let's run the circle. Let's run the circle. Let's run the circle. Winnie wants to play now. How about Winnie play? Winnie gets tired too easy.
Just remember your cackling is getting...
That should be more than 30.
Come on. Pull it away. They're not doing anything.
Whoopee! Whoopee! Winston, you're supposed to chase it. You're not supposed to catch it. You guys are supposed to move. Come on. What are you doing, Murph? Murph thinks he's a kitten when you get this out.
Okay, that's enough. Stop.